much stuff in the kitchen anymore. I want to try and get rid of a few things, but there's nothing in here that needs to stay. It's kind of like a blank slate. I think it might be nice to have a little like no, it doesn't have to be too little, but a decent size, maybe oval or some kind of square table up here. I'll have to see how it looks. Blender, air fryer, coffee maker can go over there on that. And then this whole area will have nothing on the counter. Easy to clean. Plus I have to caulk the whole counter all the way around. Just want to caulk it all the way around. That's what we're gonna do. And then take these baseboards off. I'll just trim around this door, take that. Maybe I'll leave the door trim. It looks not bad actually. But, I mean, if you change that, you pretty much have to... No, I guess you could get away with it. I just have to put the same baseboard that's even in there. Which is kind of what you're supposed to do, but I did want to upgrade even the baseboards. It wouldn't take too much money to do all the way down the hallway. And it's literally a long piece, straight edge. So I'll be upgrading those two. Probably cost like $20-30 to make it look just wicked. But I do like the baseboards that are, yeah, they look nice. There's nothing wrong. They look good actually. They're real wood. I mean, like it's a nice wood. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but when I was up at the Home Depot's there, man, this one here is cheap. It's not the cheapest, but it's cheaper. The one in there is thicker wood, and it's taller. It's probably 3 times as expensive per square foot. But I want to get some more newer updates in here, and one good way to do it, easy way to do it, is just trim, and then possibly, I guess before that would be fixing, like taking out the tile in the pantry area and maybe putting in a different type of tile. I don't know, maybe some vinyl plank, or just take out the tile and do vinyl plank in here. That might be that's starting to get expensive. The tile's nice. I don't want to take, and then I thought about it if I should sand it down, scuff it, and then paint it. You can rent a sander, like a special type of sander, floor sander, and you like push it and walk. I think it's $50 or $30 for the day or 2 days. Every day it's like $30, $50, I guess. I think they had a special. I don't know if it's still going on. It was like $60 or $59 for 2 days for the weekend. But I'd use it here and I'd use it on my patio. I could use it on my garage floor and my driveway too, actually. My driveway is probably really good. It's my garage floor and the other thing I could use it on. Well, I just came on here for a minute. I might do a sleep stream tonight. I'm probably doing one. I haven't decided. But if I do, I'll be doing one in the living room probably. Maybe I'll go to the basement tonight. Who knows? Probably not the basement. The basement couch is not too bad, but I think tonight I'll sleep upstairs. Like in the living room. Thinking about shaving. At least like a lot of the beard stuff, you know. I don't really, like beards are cool and everything, but people that, you know, look a certain way and think that's why they're cool are goofs, so I'm gonna shave it and still be super cool without the cool beard. What? Yeah. Let's see what we got. But I'll come back and do a shaving